One exercise I like to do, close one eye and push up. Just with one eye closed. Try to get in the habit of just shutting one eye and pushing up. Just like that, pushing up with all these muscles. Close one eye and push up. It ain't all that complicated. You ain't got to be a PhD. Then you get used to just opening one eye. And that's the whole thing, to get control of the muscles. Once you get control of them, you can make them behave. One eye at a time. And push up with these muscles. You gotta exercise these muscles the same way you exercise these muscles. Same thing. These muscles go to crap, well then these muscles will go to crap. You want to stay looking young, stay in the game, watch my videos. Peace.